next level.
I'm Anthony Gemma, host of The Next Level, and I'm very excited. This week we introduced a new segment called Level Up, and I'm here with Larry Gerard, who's going to work with me every week, every month on this segment.
Right.
So Larry,
Excited about it.
It's been a great, we actually introduced it today. So let's talk about what it is. What we're going to do on this segment is actually, we're going to talk about business and talk about the ease of lean manufacturing, some of the different buzzwords that you hear. And we're going to incorporate it into the show and then bring, we're going to call it a living laboratory into the...
Right, right. We're going to bring in a consultant that's working with a company and the company management, some of them, and talk about what happened between the consultant and the business managing people in order to bring their company to the next level. And the company we had in today, DiPrete Engineering, was a classic example where over the last year they've done a lot of great things with the advisors that they brought in, and now they're a much better company and they're on a journey where they've empowered their employees, and it's a real exciting thing for DiPrete, and those are the kind of clients we're going to bring in so your listeners can have actual examples of how companies have gone through the changes and how it's been a win-win for all these stakeholders.
Tom Pesatoro, Exida Consulting. I'm the principal of the business. We work with companies on business process improvement initiatives using lean methodologies. Exida Consulting works with businesses to cut non-value added waste out of the business. So what that means is that we want to keep in the business those items that add value, essentially what a customer is willing to pay for. So by cutting out the non-value added, we make companies more efficient, they reduce their costs internally, they improve their capacity to produce, and they're in a better profit position once they do that. So I think there's a lot of misconceptions about the word lean, but essentially it's just making companies highly efficient, and absolutely any company can benefit from lean.
Chris Reddy, I'm the CFO of DiPrete Engineering.
Gregg Guglielmo, Vice President, DiPrete Engineering. For us, mainly, it's been that civil engineering has been considered a commoditized industry. We're competing a lot, trying to be the lowest bidder on projects. So we're trying to find ways to not only be competitive in price, but offer higher value to our clients and better customer service, better follow-up, making sure we're really a partner on the project.
Well, it seems like it's going to be very competitive for years to come, and that's certainly why we've got to drive efficiencies in our operation.
I think it's really that you kind of got to look at your entire staff, get everyone together, try and understand how can we tackle this as a firm, and get one message out there, one team, figure out what we need to do to streamline everything that we do, from customer service to the way that we interact with our clients and what kind of products we deliver to the market, and make sure that everything's in line and you really use that team approach. And we've done that, and I think it can be successful for any small to large firm that wants to be successful in today's tough environment.
I think what really exposed itself today is this is a lot easier process than people think.
That's
They just
right.
got to begin, they got to measure it so they can manage it, begin small, work your way up, and that's exactly what DiPrete did.
That's exactly right.
Even in helping their cycle time, reduce their cycle time and increase customer satisfaction.
Yeah, and I think the key is every company wants to grow, and every company wants to drop more money to the bottom line. And I think what's really important is that senior management, from the president on down, recognize that, and the key to change is empowering the employees, because that's who does all the work.
Yep.
24/7, so getting the employees to come up with the changes and allowing them to make the decisions through a process, that really empowers them to want to do more and more, and management then becomes a facilitator and a coach rather than command and control, driving it down. Change comes from the bottom up.
And in this situation, DiPrete situation, getting ownership buy-in, management, top-level management buy-in is where you begin. As long as you get that,
then the rest follows. Yeah, and the management just buys in, and they keep getting the excitement, and then celebrate the wins. Got to celebrate the wins.
We're very excited. Level Up's the segment. I'm your host, Anthony Gemma, on The Next Level. Make sure you join us as we bring your business to the next level.